In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Leaderboard in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, live updating list that ranks entries by their scores and stays accurate as data changes. First, make sure your sheet is organized. You'll want your entries in rows with clear headers in the first row. The score for each entry should be in the third column, so the formulas line up with what we're about to do. For example, you might have names in the first column, something like a team or category in the second, and scores in the third. Leave an empty column for rank to the right of your data so the ranking formula has a place to go. To assign positions automatically, click into the first cell of your rank column that lines up with your first entry and type this formula at rank C2, it's $2, $100. Press enter, then fill the formula down to cover the rest of your rows. This formula compares the score in C2 against the entire score range from C2 to C100 and returns a position, with 1 being the highest score. The dollar signs lock the range so the reference doesn't shift as you copy the formula down. If you see ties, that simply means 2 entries share the same score and the rank will reflect that. Next, make sure your scores are actually numbers, so sorting works correctly. Select the entire score column, then go to the top menu and choose Format, Number, and then Number. This avoids issues where scores stored as text sort incorrectly. If a value changes color or alignment, that's usually a sign it converted to a true number, which is what we want. Now let's build the live leaderboard. Click into a clean area of your sheet, this can be on the same tab or a new one, and enter this formula sort A2 C103 false. This tells Google Sheets to take your entries from columns A through C, sort them by the third column, which is the score, and arrange them in descending order so the highest scores are on top. The result is a dynamic table that updates immediately whenever you add or change data within that A2 to C100 range. A quick note, if you plan to track more than 99 entries, adjust the ranges in both formulas to include the rows you need. Keeping your headers consistent and your score column strictly numeric will ensure smooth, accurate ranking and sorting every time. That's it. You've created a clear, auto-updating leaderboard in Google Sheets using a simple rank formula and a sort view that stays current as your data evolves.